Moments in History 111. The adoption of the Declaration. On June 7, 1776, Richard Henry Lee, on behalf of Virginia, offered the resolution that these united colonies are, and for of right ought to be, free and independent states. John Adams seconded on behalf of Massachusetts. On June 11th, Benjamin Franklin, John Adams, Roger Sherman, Robert R. Livingston, and Thomas Jefferson were chosen as a committee to prepare a declaration. Though he was only 33 years of age and the youngest member of the committee, Jefferson received the most votes and therefore became the chairman. The committee left the task entirely to him, and he wrote it on a single sitting without reference to any books or memoranda. Franklin and Adams then made a few slight alterations, and then the committee presented it to Congress on June 28. The debate continued throughout the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of July, when it was finally adopted, and as Jefferson wrote in his memoirs, signed by every member present except Mr. Dixon. However, the only signed declaration known to us was engrossed later and signed on August 2nd, 1776. This document bears the signature of some who became members of the Congress after July 4th, and it lacks the signatures of a few of those who voted for adoption.